Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. This video has only been out about an hour, and somebody's already asked me how you could put the American flag, a waving flag, but have the stars in the star part and the other part in the stripes. Well, this is one group, as you can see. The main thing to think about is to not move the stars and stuff and only move the flag. So we're going to grab this and we're going to go to object and group and ungroup it. And I'm going to set my nudge factor on, well, 20 inches ought to be enough. I'm going to nudge that star up, and then I'm going to put it inside the star. And you can see that I can't see the star, so I need to grab the flag and go up to Object and Order and back a page. Now I can see my star, and you can actually kind of zoom in a little bit and move your star around where you would maybe have more stars in it. And then just grab everything and intersect it, and then just grab the star and move it back. I actually think it would look better with the outline, so both of them are there, because on the other part, I think it's going to matter. Now, nudge this star up, and did pretty well on the placement, I think. Grab both of them, go up to intersect, grab both of them again and put it down. Grab this star, move it up. I'm not going to pay too much attention to the stars in it. We can see what it looks like. And then grab both of them and move them down. That was not too bad. Grab that, move it up. And see, I can't get in the star, so I'm going to move it up just a little bit more. I'm actually going to care on this one. That's not too bad, having quite a bit of stars in it. Grab both items, intersect, and then grab both items and nudge it down twice. Grab that star. Just don't move, your object. Move your flag, because the flag can be anywhere. And now you could actually do these individually, but I'm gonna group them all together. So I'm gonna actually move them up twice, kind of put them in order. And this one in particular is going to be important to one, not have any blue in it. So if you had to do them individually, you could. Trying to zoom in. So try to place. Don't move your object. Move your flag. And might have a little bit of blue right there. So we're going to, now this one particularly, now this won't work, but if we grab all this and go up to object and can control G or group it together, so it will work, select them both, go up to intersect. I'd go ahead and grab everything and move it down, even the outline, because the outline is going to be important, especially on this, to kind of show off the white. And you don't have to, like this is kind of dark, and this one's a little bit dark. I could have taken them all from the wider part of the flag. This has kind of got some shadows in it because it's a waving flag. But that's how you would do it. And then I would select it all and group it together. And there you have it. That is pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, you in the future, and thank you for watching.